After Uma Bharti warned Robert Vadra, now the BJP looks to build on her comment, hinting at the formation of an accountability panel aimed at targeting Robert Vadra, and with the BJP promising to unleash more dirt, the fight then is expected to get more and more personal.
पहली बार लिखा है कि शादीशुदा है, पहली बार दिल्ली में महिलाओं की इज्जत, मगर अपनी पत्नी का नाम एफिडेविट तक नहीं पहुंचता है.
He probably didn't know what was in store when he made the remark.
क्योंकि रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जिस प्रकार से घिर गए हैं और जो स्थितियां उनकी बनी हुई हैं, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत दिन देर नहीं है जब गांधी परिवार के जमाई बाबू जेल में होंगे. ये आप पक्का मानिए, एनडीए की सरकार आएगी तो सोनिया जी के जमाई बाबू जेल के अंदर जरूर होंगे.
A personal fight which has angered both sides, and the BJP is furious.
Registrar of Companies maintains the document about signatures of the balance sheets, directorship of the companies, money transferred, the duration in which the businesses have happened. All this is very well documented. Now all that can be taken care of once you establish an accountability commission in this country, which is missing. An accountability commission needs to be established, and that you can do only when you are in power.
The BJP is promising to take what Uma Bharti said further, hinting at an accountability panel to look into charges against Robert Vadra.
The question really to be asked is, why is Uma Bharti raising it now? And why is she getting, and what are these threats? Is this the stand of the BJP? Is this Narendra Modi's stand? That, you know, he's going to threaten to throw people in jail?
The BJP wants to presidentialize this election, wants to make it about a personality, and then it wants to say that the character and personality of the person in question should not be scrutinized.
What started as an attack on Modi's marital status has now blown up into a full-fledged war.
I do like rivals, and I know exactly how to give them back. And so you better be ready that you are going to get it in kind.
And it looks like the BJP is pulling out all the stops this time to hit back at the Congress. Bureau Report, Times Now.